Meaning of foothold.
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 Foothold. A foothold refers to a secure position or a starting point that helps someone to establish themselves in a new environment, situation, or industry. It can be a physical place, such as a base camp for mountain climbers, or a metaphorical one, such as a company's entry into a new market. Having a foothold provides a sense of stability and allows someone to gradually expand their reach and influence. Without a foothold, it can be difficult to make progress or achieve significant success in a new venture.